The S.R. Bommai case is a landmark judgment in Indian constitutional law, addressing the arbitrary dismissal of state governments by the central government. It played a crucial role in safeguarding federalism and democracy in India, setting the stage for a deeper understanding of the balance of power between the union and states. India's federal structure divides power between the union and states. Article 356 allows the central government to impose president's rule if a state government fails. This power was often misused to dismiss opposition-led state governments. The S.R. Bommai case addressed these issues, ensuring that the central government cannot arbitrarily dissolve state assemblies, safeguarding federalism. The legal issue in the S.R. Bommai case was whether the imposition of president's rule is subject to judicial review. The central government's arbitrary dissolution of state assemblies was challenged, highlighting the need to maintain a balance between union and states. This case questioned the unchecked power of the central government under Article 356. In 1994, the Supreme Court's landmark verdict clarified that Article 356 can only be invoked in exceptional circumstances. The president's satisfaction is not absolute and is subject to judicial review. This judgment significantly limited central overreach, ensuring that the dismissal of state governments cannot be arbitrary or politically motivated. The central government cannot dismiss state governments arbitrarily or for political reasons. A floor test in the assembly is the best way to determine the majority. Courts can reinstate dismissed governments if president's rule is wrongly imposed, ensuring checks and balances in Indian democracy. The judgment in the S.R. Bommai case set clear limits on central overreach, safeguarding state autonomy. It reinforced that Indian democracy relies on checks and balances, ensuring no government is above the Constitution. This landmark decision protected the federal structure by preventing misuse of Article 356, thus maintaining the balance between the union and the states. The S.R. Bommai judgment led to the reinstatement of many dismissed state governments, mandating political parties to prove their majority through a floor test. This decision brought stability and fairness to center-state relations, discouraging arbitrary dismissals and reinforcing democratic principles in Indian politics. The S.R. Bommai case is pivotal in protecting the right to elect a government that cannot be unfairly removed. It safeguards federalism by ensuring states maintain power and voice within the union. The judgment serves as a crucial reference in center-state disputes, reinforcing democratic processes and preventing central overreach. The S.R. Bommai case fortified Indian democracy by mandating central respect for state autonomy and adherence to constitutional procedures. It remains pivotal in safeguarding federalism. This landmark judgment ensures a balanced power dynamic, preventing arbitrary state dismissals and reinforcing democratic integrity. Reflect on federalism's role in India and consider the autonomy states should possess.